Hello everyone, welcome to Canon Coffee. Here we have a pavoni Aeropiccolo espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because he just needed tune-up and it wasn't put together correctly according to the customer and needed tune-up and the loose base. And the base we totally like, you can see straight there. Just this thing that moves back and forth, but it's pretty straight. We tied the base, replaced the flanges, which are these things, and to be honest, these things were like really stuck inside the machine. I had a hard time to remove them. It was pretty hard to remove those things, so we replaced them with two of these, and now it doesn't move. We also give the machine a tune-up, replacing the side glass casing and all these gaskets that you see. This from the tank, piston, side glass, gasket itself, and the heating element gasket. These are the flanges. I mean this one, and you can see it all need to be replaced. So let's test it out. Unfortunately, we don't have the portal filter, so we won't be able to put a shot. But the OVC was coming out perfectly fine from there, and the steamer. Working perfectly fine. He also gave it a good deep clean, and there was a lot of milk in here, and he was just really dirty inside. So we just give it a soak in milk cleaner solution for like a half an hour, and machine working perfectly fine. What do you think of preparing kind of coffee? And please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.